There's a reason for that. Don't worry about the reason. There we go. That time I know I shot it. I could feel it, things like that piece of cardboard. It's been shot with a .45 caliber 1911. Who's ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? I'm ready for this. That is a beautiful weapon. Let's fire this weapon. Choo! That was cool. That was pretty freaking cool. Hello there once again, audience. I'm very excited for today. I have in my possession some binary explosives. Now, I've seen these go off before, I've played with them before, but I've never done anything like what I'm about to do. I've got me some Tannerite, and I have these little, this right here is 1 pound. I have 1 pound of Tannerite. Busky, do me a favor, go inside, under the kitchen, grab me some plastic bags, will you? Like 2 would be good. I'm not entirely sure how explosive this stuff is. I've never mixed any of this up before, but I am pretty excited to see how it works. I've done, plenty of research on this stuff. One little bag goes in here, just like that. Then you close it up, and you just mix it up. You want to make sure it's mixed well, otherwise it won't go off. Thank you, Busky. Now, because I'm not sure of the explosive properties of this, as I shake this highly combustible explosive, trying to stir up the explosive materials inside, because I'm not sure how explosive this stuff is, I'm only going to be shooting .5 pound. And we'll stick it here inside this bag, and we're going to see just how explosive this stuff is. I'll be firing at it with my Mosin Nagant from roughly 50 yards or so. Actually, I'd say it's more like 70.
At least you didn't fire it again.
Yeah. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a pun or what. Alright, audience. Here we go. You'll be fine. It's just binary explosives. No worries. That's a lot of explosives. Alright, now I have a very interesting...
Oh boy, coffee grounds.
No, those are not coffee grounds. Don't make coffee from that. Now, I'm not sure how long these hold for reuse, so we're probably going to use all of what I mixed up. But for right now, we got our bag of binary explosives, and I'll be putting it right into this old shoe. There we go. Just because I want to see the results. Look at that. And now we're ready to shoot this thing from a distance. Alright, audience, we got a slight technological upgrade from the Mosin. We got ourselves an AK-47 out here, my one with non-jiggly sights. And we got ourselves some full metal jacket rounds, 7.62 by 39.
Non-jiggly, it sounds like it needs to work out or something.
I know, right? Non-jiggly. And I foresee these setting off those binary explosives just fine. Come along, Busky. Set your suit down. Let's go shoot some binary explosives.
I'm gonna go set it inside.
Alright, you go set that soup inside. Instead of on the ground like last. There you go, Busky.
Okay.
Alright, audience. It is a known fact that I am a terrible shot. Terrible, terrible shot. But I have no doubt in my mind that I can compensate for that by shooting more bullets. Marcus told me so. You don't need to be a better shot, you just need to shoot more bullets.
I don't know who Marcus is, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna watch this thing explode and maybe watch him recoil backwards.
No, we might.
We'll catch that on camera. Just for you, audience. We will see if Sean goes backwards.
This might kill us. Maybe.
felt the shockwave on that.
That was just a little bit too. God forbid I use the whole freaking charge. Alright, hold on. I'm going to unload my AK-47 for safety reasons. Put it right there. Grab our round. That right there. Magazine outside. Set that down there too. Alright, hold on. We got some shoe over here. That was pretty awesome. Yeah. Like that was just a little bit too. That was probably about, I don't know, 6 ounces or so.
We need like 50 pounds of that stuff just to shoot.
They sell that, 50 pounds of binary explosives. You can buy it by the 5-gallon bucket.
We need to buy like 10 gallons of binary explosives.
We completely destroyed that shoe. Let's go find some other stuff to blow up. We still have some binary explosives left. Hey, your laces are untied.
Actually, those kind of look tied to me.
I like how, although we blew up the shoe, the laces are still tied. You can't even find the laces from the old shoe. Alright, audience, I'm not entirely sure if this amount of binary explosive is enough to take down this old tree.
How many rounds do you have? 15? Do you think you can
I've got a whole box of 20 rounds. So I might be able to hit it. There's a strong possibility that I might hit that. But yeah, we're gonna shoot that. I've already shot this tree a bunch, and we're gonna see if this explosion is enough to take out the rest of this tree. It should be pretty entertaining. You recording?
Yes.
Fantastic.
Welcome to another episode of Sean and Busky, or Backyard Reach.
That was pretty cool.
That was. That tree didn't.
Enough to take out that tree, though.
It barely affected the tree.
Yeah, we have to surround it. All right, now look at that air compressor there. That was a lot of fun. I am absolutely covered in plant nonsense. Let me see the camera. Look at all these plant, whatever these are, seeds, stickers, whatever you want to call them. I had a lot of fun today. Very, very happy with my explosives. We were just only doing partial charges too. Like we were doing probably about a 1/3 pound, 1/4 pound charges. Look at all the smoke around us. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up though. It was a lot of fun.
And just watch it go.
I kind of want to see what a real charge does though. Like a real explosive charge. I think we're going to save that for later though. Audience, you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share the experiences we have. But before we go, we're going to go ahead, put our AK-47 on the ground. Nice and safe. Take these off. Throw them on the ground, nice and safe. We're going to see just what sort of damage that explosion had. Because I'm sure we did something to this tree.
I can obviously see what's been done.
Yeah. Yeah. I think we did some damage.
Yeah, just not enough to
actually take it down.
Crinkle.
I bet if we used a full charge, it'd take it down.
Yeah.
No doubt in my mind.
Especially if you just duct tape the entire thing around it.
Yeah. Or maybe like dug a hole underneath it, put it underneath, so we have a compressive shot. That'd be interesting. Anyway, audience, you guys have a fantastic